Hi, my name's Nikki Candlish and I'm working in partnership with Rethinking Pain. And we've got together and produced some really short videos for you. And these are just little simple ways that you can bring a little bit of movement, some breathing into your everyday life. And it's not going to take too much effort, but that can really help you manage your pain, reduce your anxiety and stress without actually investing too much time or energy. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Hi, okay, so for this next video, I think we all know how nice it is to have a massage. It's just amazing, isn't it? But actually, you can do a lot just for yourself. We can give ourselves really lovely massages. And especially I think it's really effective to massage the face and the neck and the shoulders. We store so much tension in this area, sometimes without even realizing, and that can lead to headaches, sinus headaches, pains in the neck and the shoulders. So just have a go at this, and it just might be something that, you know, is really helpful. Okay, so I'm going to start off at the top of the head, and I'm going to take my hair out actually, so you can hopefully see a little bit better. So if you make like a little fist with the hands, and with this sort of bony bit of my fingers, I'm going to roll. So you've kind of got your own massage tool, and you're going to roll on the top of the head. Now, I don't know about you, but I get all sorts of sore spots on the top of my head. And actually, when you find a sore spot, just spend a bit more time there, because that will be a sign that you've got tension. So spending a bit of time massaging on these sore spots is really, really good. So we're massaging around the temples now. And again, you know, that's a classic place that we can get tension headaches. I can feel it now actually as I'm massaging. So let's go. A little bit on the forehead. You can do two hands if you want to do both sides at once. And remember to breathe. And actually as we go, you might feel that a few kind of sighing breaths just kind of encourages you to really get on board with this and relax. You can do this just sitting in your chair. You don't have to go anywhere to do any of these. You can do them before bed if it's something that you struggle with getting to sleep. It can be super relaxing. Okay, so just kind of notice how your head feels now. And we are going to massage at the back of the neck now. So where your skull meets the neck. So I think it's quite nice to take two fingers and really get in there. Okay, so now you might do two hands like this. You might sort of just take one hand and get right in there. So it's for you to kind of choose. So we're going at the base of the skull, and I think when you start to massage here, it can quite often be really sore. So when you feel that, just keep going and remember to breathe. Okay, nice big sigh, breathe in. Okay, so we're going to move up now and we're going to massage right behind the ear. So that is kind of the joint of the jaw. If you open and close the jaw, you'll really feel that you're right under that jaw hinge, if you like. So let's have a massage there. Good, perfect. Let's get right in there. Okay, so the next one is a bit interesting. So we're going to take hold of your earlobes, and as if you were kind of pulling your ears off your head. No, that's a bit strange, and don't pull too hard because you don't want to pull them off. But if you just pull the earlobes away from the head, very gently, so do this, you know, to the level that feels comfortable with you. And then we're going to move up from the earlobes, up the cartilage, the bony bit of the ear, to the top of the ear, and just pull the ears away from the head. And at the same time, give a little squeeze into the cartilage of the ear. Okay, now you might feel when you do this, your ears start getting really warm. Mine are really burning already. So that's quite interesting, isn't it? Anyway, the next thing, you've got this little bony bit of cartilage in front of the ear. I hope you can see that. And I'm just going to press my finger, and I'm going to press, so I haven't put my finger in my ear, I'm just pressing onto this cartilage, and we're just going to circle here. So this massage has been shown to be really, really calming. So it activates a nerve called the vagus nerve, which is the key to relaxation. And it sounds really strange, but it's so effective. If we massage here, maybe for a minute, it doesn't have to be for very long, then the whole body responds. So just try it. It might not work for you, it might work for you, just try. And have a big sigh as you do it. Okay, so you can carry on for as long as you want here, but I'm just going to now, that's really relaxed. I'm just going to massage down my neck to my throat. Squeezing, squeezing down the side of my neck. So I've got kind of a big sort of muscle that goes down the side. You might want to give that a little squeeze. That can store so much tension. And I'm going to follow that down into the shoulder. And as if you were kneading bread, let's really get into the top of that shoulder. And down the side, into the top of the arms. Have a good old squeeze. Let's come back up. And there's a little bit of a drop. Make sure you're not sticking your chin out here. You want to keep your chin drawn in, as if you're making a double chin. Gently drop the head, not much. And then we're going to squeeze down the side, again from the ear. That big muscle that comes down the side of the neck. Have a good old squeeze. And then again, as if you were kneading dough. Let's come down. Keep squeezing to the top of that shoulder. And final deep breath in. Okay, so just notice how you feel after that. Notice the sensations, the tingles, the warmth, just any kind of change that you might feel in that whole area. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.